Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I just want to talk a little bit about the importance of flour and yeast in using our Panasonic bread makers. I've got here our new compact bread maker, the SD-PN100. It's our new smaller model. But when you're using this and when you're using all our bread makers, it's really important to think about flour and yeast in your baking. One of the most common things that customers get in touch about is that the quality of their bake isn't as high as they would like. And more often than not, that's actually down to the ingredients you're using rather than anything else. Now, frustratingly, the quality of flour that you use can vary wildly from season to season and year to year, depending on the quality of the wheat crop of that year. So what we recommend is you use as many different types of flour that you can until you find one that you realize works for you. With yeast, we always recommend using an instant dry yeast rather than a wet yeast or an active yeast for using our bread makers. But most importantly, it's actually how you store those two ingredients once you've opened them. To help prolong the life of your flour and yeast, make sure you keep them in sealed containers after they're opened. It can really affect the quality of your bake if you use out-of-date flour or old yeast, and that's really going to affect how well your bread's going to rise and the overall look and quality. If you need more information about yeast and flour, check out the helpful baking tips in the description down below or get in touch with our team. I hope that helps. Thanks very much.